Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to the S&C family. Welcome back. Oh shoot, you're gonna fall. Sorry y'all. So I am outside of my daughter's school. I'm actually getting ready to pick her up. So I keep looking around to make sure I don't miss her. But yeah, y'all, how y'all been? Today is Friday. My Friday is actually going good. I know I've been MIA, but I am gonna try and make it back again. To stay on here. You know what I should do, y'all? I should pick a day and be like, I'm gonna be here on Mondays and Fridays or something like that. That's what I should start doing to give myself a schedule. Like, all right, it's Monday, you gotta put out something. All right, it's Friday, you gotta put out something. I think that would help me stay consistent. What y'all think? I think that would help me, because y'all, I be missing like 2 weeks, a month, 2 months. Like, your girl gotta get it together. I need to get it together. I'm really being lazy. So, yeah, y'all, I might, because I keep watching around here, because the cars be flying up and down the street like y'all don't know the kids is in school, getting out of school. And I'm trying to show y'all, like, y'all don't know the kids is getting out of school and y'all are flying. So, and my daughter got across the street. Even though she's old enough, I'm still like on the lookout to make sure she crossing the street all right, and these cars is watching out. All right, I see her. Here she come. Sorry, y'all. So, I'm gonna jump back on here when she gets in the car and we get situated. So I'll see y'all in a little. Hey, y'all. So I am back. I finally made it in the house. Got some Chick-fil-A. So I am about to eat while I talk to y'all. My daughter stole my fries. See, now I don't even know which fry you ate out of, because you eating all this stuff. You might as well put yours back in here. Hold on, y'all. Let me try and set y'all up real quick. Let's see. Hopefully it works this time, y'all, because last time I had it going sideways and it was just a horrible mess. So let's see if that works. That's good enough, y'all. Good enough. That works. How many dressings you need, Shanti? Sauce. You need both of them? What she put in here? She talking about she put something in here. She didn't put nothing in here. Talking about, you on Polynesian, like you put some sauce in here. It's 2. You want to split it? You need 2? Well, you got it. I can see so. Or ranch or something. And I got ranch, but I don't know. I got some fries. not gonna rush. Oh, let me get comfortable. I just got in the door. So yeah, I don't know if I should do I'm gonna post like every Monday and Friday or something like that. I might do that. I don't know. I don't know. Just to keep myself going with it. It might help me out. It might help me out. Let me eat something, y'all, because I'm hungry, to be honest. I am. Usually I get some mayonnaise. I need some mayonnaise. There's some mayonnaise on here. I don't really care for pickle. And it's always hot. Always hot, hot. Ooh, it's hot. I realized from looking at my analytics that I do have some new family members. So thank y'all so much for watching. I do see a lot of people looking and not subscribing. So make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. And join the family. Help us out. If you watching and not subscribing, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and push it. What are you walking around moving doing?
Finding it. All the time. Can't find nothing.
You got, what happened? Yeah, some of your hair came out.
What?
Turn around. I don't look like that. Or is it just fuzzy right
What?
there?
What?
Okay. None like that? Okay, never mind. It look fuzzy. Like there's half coming up.
Yes, I know.
Poor thing. I'm hungry. I didn't say much of nothing.
I'll eat that.
I'm actually going to do, that's what I'm going to do. Even though I work this weekend, I need to upload videos while I'm home about anything, talk about anything, whatever, random stuff. What is this? I hate the summer because that's the random bugs are coming out. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do another video. Maybe right after this. Maybe I'll take a nap first. I don't know. That depends on how I feel. I might do one right after this. And discuss something else. Without eating them. Who is that? I do have. I have a half drink that I got from there. Yeah, I need to get up and get. But I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. I didn't even do a thumbnail. I need to do a thumbnail. Don't I? I don't know if I'm using that, y'all. Or not. Or not. Probably not. But we'll see. Ooh, it's hot. Let me know in the comments down below if you stay here watching this video till the end. If y'all think that would help me out if I set up an upload schedule for myself. Maybe pick like 2 days where I know I need to upload something. Let me know if y'all think that'll help me. If you stayed to the end of this video. And thank you for staying to the end of the video. I appreciate you. Comment down below if you stayed to the end of the video. And I'll shout you out. And you gotta just comment, yes, I stayed through the end of the video, or watched the whole video, or whatever. And I will see it. And I will shout you out in the next video. That's what I need to do, so that way I'll know if anybody actually stayed through the whole video, because I know people don't. Especially if you're a small YouTuber. Most likely they don't stay to the whole video. Which is fine. Because we still, you know, trying to figure out how to keep y'all engaged and watching and stuff. And we might not be that exciting right now to watch because, you know, we're still learning and getting in the groove thing. So that's understandable for me if people don't watch the whole video. But like I said, if people do, that's really helpful. And I'm very appreciative of it. So I think when you eat and talk, you get fast forward. Excuse me. Because I know I can eat this whole sandwich and fries without getting fast forward. Without getting full fast. I know I can. So yeah, y'all, like I said, if you stayed to the end, comment down below you stayed to the end. I appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Join the family. I appreciate you. See you in the next video. Bye.